I heard the robotics lab is amazing.
Yeah, I can't wait to check it out after class.
Good afternoon.
Why is our school named after Miss Freeman?
Was she an engineer? Let's find out.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
It is so good to see you walking with purpose today.
Yes, I am ready for the next class.
Welcome.
We want you to be inspired to be like Miss Freeman. Mae Rachel Freeman was a Black educational leader, civil rights era advocate, and community activist. Where was she from? She served 10 years on the New Hanover County School Board. She served on the YWCA Board of Directors. She empowered women and fought to eliminate racism in the community.
That's why I came to this school.
A scholarship in her name supports students at the University of North Carolina, Wilmington.
Really?
Yes, so let's get to work so you can engineer your futures.
Nice. Our Gullah Geechee queen studied engineering and math, too.
That's why we made the tree.
We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.